Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video is going to focus on multiplying decimals, but we're going to use models. Our first example is 6/10 of 4/10, just means multiply, the same as the parentheses. Right now, I have a 100 grid because I need it for my solution. If I only wanted 6/10, I want you to look at it like this. That's one column, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you kind of pretend that it's not cut horizontal from left to right, this is 1/10, 2/10, 3, 4, 5, 6. However, we're going to actually shade it in. I'm going as quick as possible. So I'm going to shade in 6 columns, which would be 6 out of 10 columns, 6/10. Now, the grid is out of 100, so our solution will be hundreds. I would turn my paper or have my students rotate their paper, and now I want 4 columns. In this case, because I'm online, it's going to be 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you turn your paper back over, and you want to circle which ones have double colors. Well, now we're looking at the entire 100 grid. We're no longer looking at it as broken it up into tenths. It would be 24 hundredths, which is important why you need to know fractions. All right, so it's 24 out of 100. For the next one, it's 2/10 times 9/10. I'm going to start off with 2 rows because you're visualizing they're all just rows. Well, now you could turn your paper, whatever works for you. Hopefully it's easy and you don't really need to turn your paper, but sometimes it's easier to see it depending on your preference. Now we want 9/10. In my class, I plan to show it with rows and columns, and then when we double color it or overlapping, it'll have grids. It'll have both, just to visually see it. Now here, our solution is whatever have 2 colors. So now you look at it from the hundreds grids, and it's 18 hundredths, which is 0.18. All right. This one, I suggest you pause the video, try to solve it yourself. Hopefully you have some graph paper. I'll put the answer in the comments, and if this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.